Well, hello YouTube. Long time no see. Whoop, 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 whoop. Where you been, girl? Well, I've been working. Okay. And today I'm just here to do a small little unboxing of some hair by Yummy. Yeah, by Yummy hair extension. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So I purchased 2 bundles prior to my second order. And the reason why I did that is because, first of all, I just wanted to, check out the texture and see what all the hype was about, right? So I ordered a 22 and a 24. Shipping fast, no issues. I caught it on a sale, which was nice because these bundles can be rather expensive. And this is the texture that I went for. It's the straight Yummy hair. I was on YouTube trying to find some straight hair reviews to no avail, so that's why I'm here to give you one. I haven't did a hair review in maybe over 2 years. I don't even know. It's been a while, but in recent time, I've purchased so much hair. I got some Jace Beauty hair. I have some, what is the other one? So many. I can't even think of them. Oh my God, I'm overwhelmed. But let's just get back to what I'm talking about. So I ordered a 24 and a 22. These are the bundles. Very low luster hair. It's not all so shiny and all so bright. But thick from root to tip, which I can appreciate. This is the raw Cambodian straight hair. Again, I went on YouTube. I could not find any reviews about it. It was like, where have I got the wavy or the LAO texture? Maybe because it's one of those things that a lot of natural women probably get because it's good for that texture. But I am natural myself, been natural over 5 years, but I don't mind perming my edges every once in a while, especially to get the look that I desire. Hair is hair, okay? So, my bundles came in these pretty purple little baggies, right? Came with these hair tags, 24 and 22. And I just recently purchased some more hair because I knew that 2 bundles, especially after seeing this, like, I was kind of like, what the fuck? The what? These small bundles. But they do say the longer the hair, the shorter the width. Or width. Anyways, so I ordered some more hair and it came, because I threw away my other FedEx bag, but it came in this FedEx bag. Came in this, and I purchased a 20, a 18, and a 24. So this is what it looks like. Far away from the camera, I'm gonna comb it with my comb, and I'm sure a lot of you are like cringing, like, why is she combing these bundles with that comb? Well, I think this is the best way to comb some bundles, because guess what? You'll be able to see if the hair sheds. And what is that, 1 strand of hair? Baby, come through. I mean, so they came this time in some red bags. They match my nails. Bloody. Anyways, so I received my little, let's see, my cards. Put these in order, y'all. Okay, you guys see them? Okay, good. So I also received 2 other cards as well. Well, 3 actually. So you get the standard card, of course, and telling you how you're gonna be the life of the party and all of that good stuff. And then also just giving me some insight about a Yummy Summer 2019. And then another flyer with hair instructions. And to be honest with you, I did not receive this with my last purchase. So when I got the bundles, I was like, how the hell do I take care of these bundles? Of course, I had to rely on YouTube, but then here it is, YouTube don't have any hair tutorials about the yummy straight hair. So I was kind of like, not so much. Anywho, they snapped out this time. Well, thank you. Let's just go a step further. So as you all know, my first purchase was a 24 and a 22. And then my second order was a 20, a 24, and an 18. So, of course, me being me, I decided to put my two 24s together. And baby, when I tell you, I received a 22 with my last order. And it's very evident. I'm gonna show you all exactly what I'm talking about. So, hold on, which one is that? So I just kind of, wait, it would be the longest one. So this is supposed to be a 22 inch, y'all. I mean 24, but it's actually a 22. So remind you, first order, 24, 22. It's a 22, pew, pew, pew. This is a 22, honey. And how do I know this? It's just very obvious. This is my 24. We're just gonna step back some. And we're gonna comb this out. Oh. What's going on, my darling? This is supposed to be a 24. Where? Where? How? Houseway? Houseway? How? Look at this. I'm gonna tell you exactly what this is. This right here is a 22. Pew, pew, pew. I love that lady, but anyways. Yeah, so it's a 22. And the reason why I came to that conclusion is because I compared it to my 22 that I ordered, you know, prior to receiving these other 3 bundles. So annoying. Okay, you see that? These are sisters. These are sisters. Sisters. No? You don't think so? Let's step back a little bit. These are twins. Look at these bundles, yo. Like, and I believe, you know, in human error and all of that good stuff, but please don't try to take my kindness for weakness. Please don't try to play with me. So of course, when I discovered this, I sent them an email and I just told them like, yo, so I purchased a 22, but I purchased a 24, but I received a 22. And they emailed me back 2 days later and they were like, oh, well, we need for you to send us pictures of all the bundles and then also a measuring tape with the hair being like so. You need me to do all of that? Okay. I really don't have time for all of that, but off of principle, I'm going to make time for it. I guess I'll just go and purchase a measuring tape and I'll send them pictures. I'll do whatever it takes because at this point, I feel like you're not about to bamboozle me. And the crazy part is I wanted 2 24s for a reason. Why would I get a 20? Why would I purchase a 24, 2 22s? It will just not, it won't be even. I would have to damn near cut this into a 22. A 22. I'm not doing that. So that's kind of annoying. But again, shit happens. But then I think like these companies be kind of like low-key weird anyways. So I'm not sure if I even want to, I'm going to do it just off principle. I haven't figured out if I want to install this hair on a dome cap or if I just want to get a sew-in done. I'm not sure. I don't even know if I'm about to even put this hair in anytime soon. I do plan on dyeing this hair with the warm method, the warm, what is it, water method. I plan on doing it that way. Because, you know, just dyeing your bundles and taking them apart, like, why not just submerge them in water? But the only thing about that technique, too, is I'm afraid that it might dilute the color. I don't know. I've seen people on YouTube just do like one box of black dye. I don't want to do it that way. I think I'm going to maybe do 3 boxes and then see what happens from there. But if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, let me know. I know I'm kind of rusty, but I am here because I have to let you all know what I'm going through right now, and I'll do a follow-up hopefully very soon. But yeah, it's just tired. So buenos noches.